How's it going, everybody? Gideon here with G.T.M Farm. Just thought I'd kind of show you what we were having for dinner tonight. We're having some sausage subs. We got bratwursts and we got Italian sweet sausages. Just kind of wanted to show you how I go about making them. A lot of people like to grill sausages like this. It's raining out right now, so we're gonna fry them up in a pan. We'll show you how we do that in just a sec. So I've seen some people put oil in the pan, some people cook it with nothing in the pan. What I like to do is just add a splash of water and then throw those right in. Throw those right in there, try not to burn yourself. And then I just like to cover those up. And it's almost like you're steaming them. And it actually brings out a really nice flavor. The water and the juices from the sausages mix and they just kind of soak up all the moisture and it just kind of gives it a nice flavor. Okay, so I've chopped up some red bell pepper and a sweet Vidalia onion to saute to go on top of the subs. It gives it a nice little crunch and then a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of onion. So it makes a nice little flavor accent to the savory meat. And I think, where is that? We don't have any sub rolls per se. I think we can use this, chop that up into a couple sections. Just a nice Italian loaf. Let's see how these are looking. Oh yeah, looks like they're steaming up good. We dumped some of the water out so they can get a nice sear on each side. We'll let those go for another minute or two on that side and then we'll give them a flip. Okay, so we just gave those a nice little flip. You can see that nice sear on that side. We'll let them go for another few minutes on that other side, and we'll probably flip them another 1 or 2 times just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Things are looking good. Sausage subs always has been one of my favorite meals. They're super easy to make. You just throw some sausages in a pan, slice some bread, throw them in the bread. You can put, whatever vegetables, cheese. Also, have you ever been to a county fair? Delicious. Okay, so those are all cooked up. Now we're going to throw these chopped vegetables in the pan. I'll throw a little bit more water in there so those can saute. Mix those around a little bit. Cover those up, let those steam for a little bit. I've really gotten into cooking the past, year or so, and when I have time to do it, I love doing it. Hi, Ben. But yeah, I love cooking. Tonight I thought I would take a stab at making dinner for everyone, and hope it comes out alright. Okay, then once the vegetables are sauteed, they're nice and soft, I like to throw the sausages back on top just so they can heat up a little bit because they've been out of the pan for a few minutes while these are sauteing. Those will get nice and hot again, be able to melt that cheese, and it'll be nice and warm for eating. Okay, so I like to keep it simple when I dress a sausage sub. I just kind of like some cheese melted on it and then just some ketchup. That's all. That honestly tastes the best to me. Alright, look at that. I mean, it wouldn't be my first choice of bread because it was kind of a big loaf, but I kind of cut it in half and then cut it in quarters. And it works for what we're doing. So, yeah. Let's do a taste test, I guess. That's really good. Okay. So I hope you like this little kind of at-home cooking video. The vegetables didn't come from our garden or anything, but our garden's still sprouting and growing, so we're hoping to get some yield from that later in the season. I look forward to bringing you guys videos on that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this kind of video, I hope it was a little bit informative. It was kind of simple, but I just felt like turning the camera on and recording what I was doing. So we hope to see you in our next video, and have yourself a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.